Sweetie, Sky, Ezekiel. Hi.
Ano sa ito ko kailangan? Full daw full. Pinatigin natin.
Eh, wala kang laki. Yung amin wala.
Hindi naman siya puso ng puno.
Binabat, wala daw, free. Malikot yun. Hindi ko na video. Ano ba yan? Sabi ko yan, remind me eh. Dahil video mo ko. Ako, sabihin mo sa akin. Bamboo! Bamboo! Hindi to ko about terminal ha. Paalala ko lang sa'yo ha. Hindi tayo sa NAIA Airport ha. Stand up ikaw.
Sige, the police is gonna get you, Skyler. Oh, Skyler, sige, police. Ayaw, Skyler. No, the police is gonna get you. Sige. Hala, Skyler. Sige, the police is gonna get you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For the information of all departing guests,
Boarding. Sweetie, look! Hi! Sweetie. My goodness. Smell na ba? Sweetie. Sweetie. Tuling.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
Ito kita super cute. Ala, yung pulukuhan na naman yung maleta ko. You later. Boy, hi Chaba boy. Chaba boy.
Yeah, can I be phone?
Wala talaga upuan. Only for ano lang, adults. Sweetie, humawak ka. Doon tayo.
Sabi mo na ito, kasi papasok na
Nasaan lalabas? Hindi, I mean, napindot ko na eh. So, ulitin ko.
ka na ba?
Ulitin ko muna.
Okay, sige.
savings.
Eh, wag mo yung
Tapos kung magkano.
Sweetie, you like that? Sarap
What's
yan.
this?
Is that spam? Baka hindi spam yan.
Game. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Hindi ka naman nakawitis, no?
Ayaw mo nga.
Eh, 21 yung bus.
O sige, suka muna, hanapin naman.
这两段大桥自公车开始就成为了香
more, not in my bag. Ay.
Bye-bye. Come here, Sweetie. Come here.
Ano yan, te?
Say to Daddy. Come here.
Wow! Look at that!
Baby.
This is our room.
Oh. Like you have a bed. Put our kitchens here. Look at this. Tata. Tata.
Oh, put your shoes together.
Tata. Our shoes. Our shoes.
Video mo rin.
Please,
Amir, sit down ka. 1, 2, 3, pause.
But earlier kanina, you were pressing your nose against the, what do you call that? Against the window line. It's it!
My baby is so tired and hungry.
Big strawberry. Popsicle.
Sweetie.
How are you biting into it?
Sit down muna.
Especially no food.
Baka sa dulo daw. Oh, Hong Kong. Jordan Street. Smoking area. Ay, sorry. Don't eat the, don't eat the ham. It's not masarap. Just the noodle.